morning students. In today's video we will learn the milkman's cow for class 4 from your Marigold book, and it is in page number 97. Okay. The milkman's cow was in a bad mood. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. So there is a milkman, and there is the milkman who gives milk to other home and family, the दूध वाला जिसको हम कहते हैं. Then there is a cow of milkman, and he is sitting in the middle of the road and he is refusing to move. The milkman begged the cow to get up. The children are waiting for the milk to help them grow strong. Please get up, he pleaded. He pulled and tugged and prayed. So the milkman is begging to the cow, please get up, why don't you get up? The children are waiting for the milk, so he has to give the milk to the children. Then please get up, he pleaded. He's pleading him, please get up. He pulled and tugged, but the cow is so big and he did not move it. But the cow was not going anywhere that day, so the cow is not moving. Along came a policeman. So a policeman came, his buttons and buckles gleaming bright. Hump, he said, twirling his long moustache, I will show you how to do it right. So there is a policeman came, and he is so boasting about himself that I can do it. Then he starts pulling the rope. The policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow was not going anywhere that day. So the policeman and the milkman both are stretching the rope of the cow, but they could not move the cow a bit. Along came a grocer with bags of potatoes and peas. So there come a grocer. Grocer means dukandar, okay, who sells groceries like rice, like dal, anything. So he came. He said, I will move this cow with the greatest of ease. So he says that now I can move the cow. You cannot, I can. The grocer, the policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. So they all start stretching, but the cow is not moving. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. Along came a wrestler. So a wrestler came. Wrestler means who fights boxing, okay. His muscles gleaming in the sun. He has big muscles in his hand. He's a bodybuilder, okay. He said, I have the strength of 10 horses, so this should be his fun. So he says that I have the power of 10 horses together, so I can do it. The wrestler, the grocer and the policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow was not going anywhere that day. So the four men keep trying, but the cow is not moving a bit. Along came the ice cream man, jingling his cart, cool down, it can't be too hard. So there came an ice cream man with jingling his cart. There is full of ice cream, and he says, cool down, it can't be too hard. He says that cool down, you all cool down, calm down, I will do it. The ice cream man, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged, but the cow was not going anywhere that day. So the cow is not either going. So there is a milkman, there is a policeman, there is a wrestler, there is a grocer and there is a ice cream man, but the cow is not moving. They are all stretching the cow, but they are not moving. Along came a little boy. He began to grin. He said, these grown-ups, look at the mess they are in. It is not such a difficult problem. I learned in the second class that human beings eat rice and wheat and cow eat grass. So there came a little boy. There are 5 big men. They could not move the cow a bit, but there came a little boy. He says that I learned in class 2 that we the human beings eat wheat, eat rice and we eat all the things, but the cows eat grass, okay. So he held out a sheaf of tasty green. The cow began to chew. So he took some grass and gave it to the cow, and the cow began to chew. He slowly led her to the side. So he took the grass and slowly going to the side, and the cow by eating the grass is going to the side, okay, for he knew what to do. The grocer clapped, the policeman twirled stick in joy. So the grocer clapped his hand that wow, we the 5 big men could not move a cow a bit, but this little boy is so intelligent. The little boy is so sharp in his mind that he moves the cow in just a bit by feeding it a grass. See, we are so we are so foolish, we were so full of rubbish thing that we could not have that thing in mind that if we give grass to the cow it will move. Then wrestler grinned. The ice cream man hoped at the cleverness of the boy. The boy is very clever. The ice cream man is saying that wow, the boy is so clever. The wrestler is very angry. Oh, I could not do it, but a little boy did it. The milkman happily clattered his pail. Being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. So where the strength and the force fail, there comes the intelligence of the mind. When you are trying hard and could not get anything, you are pressing, you are forcing, you are doing all the things, but you could not do the thing, then the only thing is the mind, the intelligence, the sharpness of your mind, that you have to put it, and the work will be very much easy. So these 5 big men could not do the thing, but the little boy came and do it like that. Okay, so this is the this is written by Vidya Pradhan. Okay, so read it carefully, read the pronunciation, and if you have any trouble with the meaning, please tell me, I will make it clear. That is all for today's video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.